I will die. I will die. The trick.
Like it's not gonna smash on anything.
I don't know. And there's nothing behind it to smash that.
Good job.
Maybe both shoes and like clap it.
Go up so I can smash you against something.
Oh my god. And it went inside of that.
I don't know if it's still inside of it. Yeah.
Get your shoe and chop that together.
Oh my gosh.
Gross.
Did I speed it?
Are
Are you still alive?
Let's go shoot again. He's dead.
I like listen, like come a little bit closer. Oh, it didn't do it. It sounded like, you know, flies are
I don't even see it in there.
it's in there. Its little legs are sticking up.
Is it dead yet?
No, but you're an ugly looking spider.
Oh my god, I know, I was like, poke, poke. I was like, what? I was scared.
It's dead now.
Yeah. No more ugly spiders.
It was big too.
I know, it was like, bleh.
Remember that little one that was in here?
No.
There's a little one. I don't know. I don't remember if we killed it or not. I don't think we did. It's probably that one and it grew bigger.
Ooh, that one's ugly though. Is this still recording?
You recorded that whole thing. Now we're like...
And now we're like, spider?